Hi everyone, welcome back to Wombat Coaching. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Kindle Create. It's a fantastic tool to help you with your ebooks. It allows you to load your ebooks onto Amazon Kindle. If you're an aspiring author or you just want to share your books with the world, then this video is for you. Let's dive in. Now, hopefully you have finished writing your book and you have a downloaded manuscript. The format to use Kindle Create is Doc, DocX or RTF. You can achieve this by using Google Docs or Microsoft Word. Let's jump over to Google and search for Kindle Create. On the website, you have the option to download for PC or Mac. So download and follow the instructions. Once it is downloaded and installed, you need to open Kindle Create. When it opens, we have three options. However, we are going to choose the top option. There is a tutorial that you can open and follow. And now we're going to choose our file. In this case, we've got a doc file or docx file. Once you select your file, it will import the file into Kindle Create. This can take a little while. We need to hit continue. And here we have our book. It's been imported. All our chapters are listed on the left-hand side and we can accept those chapters and they will then appear in the column on the left-hand side. Now, we can change the formatting and how our book looks by going up to themes. And there are only 4 themes to choose from. But it gives you a selection to choose a theme that you're happy with. And once you've done that, you can do further editing as well. You can change the font, you can change the look. There's lots of formatting and elements that you can use to get the book to look how you want it to look. As you can see, if I click on chapter, it will show the chapter formatting on the right-hand side. If I select the paragraph, it'll show it as body text, and this is where you know where you are when you're doing any edits. You can change the style, you can change the formatting to however you would like it to look. You can change the colour, the font, and much more. Up the top here, you can add information for the front of your book, like the author's name, copyright, and you can also put a back section in as well. When you're happy with the way the book looks, you can preview your book and you are able to choose different devices to see how it looks, as well as different views. So I can change over to a phone. And also a Kindle reader. And as you can see, this is how it will appear on those devices, and how the controls also work to change pages. You can also select the chapters down the left-hand side and it will take you to those chapters. If you want to, you can insert images, table of contents, and we'll do that on this occasion. It will use your chapters to generate that table of contents. So when we preview again, we can see that we now have controls to go to our different chapters, which are hyperlinks in the front of the ebook as part of your contents. So when we're happy with the formatting, we can now export the file as the correct format to be uploaded into KDP as an ebook. It also gives you the option to download as an EPUB file for other platforms. So all we have to do now is go to our KDP account and log in and select Create Kindle eBook. Here you fill out your book details, description and title, and keywords, and then you'll be taken to the next screen where you will upload the Kindle Create file. As the file has been created using Kindle Create, it will easily upload into the ebook section of KDP and easily create your ebook. Now, ebooks are a great way to get your books online. Very little work required. Once you have created your ebook, you can also create a paperback version of the same book, and it will appear in the same section of your tools on KDP. You also have the option to create a hardcover book from the same book. Generally, ebooks are priced low, around $2 or $3, and because of this price, ebooks are quite popular. If you have created something interesting, it's quite possible you will get lots of sales. If you're just starting out publishing books, creating an ebook through Kindle Create is a great way to get started and used to the process. Eventually, you have the confidence to create other books that you can publish as paper books or hard copies. Don't forget to subscribe to Wombat Coaching for further tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Happy writing.